Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Pristine Nook. This video is about under the sink storage organization. So if you are interested, stick around and keep watching. But before we go ahead, if you haven't done so already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's get started.
This feeling I go when I sit what we had. Would you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
I'm using these non-stick mats to line up my shelves here, and I think they look pretty good. I'm using these plastic storage drawers to store some of my cleaning supplies like sponges and other like wipes and stuff like that, and I have two of these and they're going to be stacked up like this.
I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak.
I had this plastic basket before and I used to store my excess supplies in here, so I'm still using it, and I'm going to be putting the same like the excess supplies in there now.
There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's
pretty jar here that could be used in the laundry, but I'm going to be using it here to put my dishwasher tablets in there. It also has a lid, so that way it just keeps them safe and my kids can't get to it.
So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's.
I have this good old Lazy Susan here that I'm going to be using to keep my spray bottles on for easy access.
So come give me love, you know you're mine, baby. So come give me love, I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss, can't get enough, babe.
The paper towel holder here that I'm using as a Chuck's cloth holder, so it'll be easier for me to tear it off when I want to use it.
Won't you hold me like I'm yours?
So previously I had a dustbin that didn't have a lid, and that's because of that pipe that you see on top. So I had to find something with a lid, but I had to find something that also swings and can open with the pipe on there. So like, this is the best that I could get, and I'm pretty happy with it. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment under this video, and also let me know if you have any thoughts about my videos, and also if there's any particular videos that you would like me to make. Until next time, see you.
Afraid.